So for number 24 and 25, we can expect to find percentages that are over 100% because $15 is greater than $8 and 1 meter is greater than 40 centimeters. So for number 24, we will divide 15 by 8. And now, as usual, we're asking ourselves, how can we get to a denominator of 100? So unfortunately, 8 does not go exactly into 100, but we can get close. So one way we can do this is ask ourselves, how many times does 8 go into 100? Well, unfortunately, it's not a lovely integer, but it goes 12.5 times into 100. So that means we'll have to multiply the numerator by 12.5 as well. And 15 times 12.5 gives us 187.5. So now that we have a denominator of 100, we can turn it into a percentage. So that would be 187.5%. Another way we could have done this is we could have divided the numerator and the denominator both by 2 in order to have ended up with 7.5 over 4. Now we know that 4 goes into 125 times. So now we would have multiplied both the top and the bottom by 25. And again would have ended up with 187.5 over 100. So there are a number of ways to get there, which once again is equal to 187.5%. What about number 25? How do we express 1 meter as a percentage of 40 centimeters? So let's make sure we're using the same units for 1 meter and 40 centimeters. So we can either turn meters into centimeters or centimeters into meters. I always prefer to turn meters into centimeters because then you're multiplying and not dividing. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So I'm dividing 100 centimeters by 40 centimeters. And I'm gonna divide by 10 to get this equal to 10 over 4. Now what do I have to divide? What do I have to multiply the top and the bottom by in order to get a denominator of 100? Well, 4 goes into 125 times. So I'll multiply the top by 25 as well, and I will get 250. So 1 meter is 250% of 40 centimeters.